Ready to ditch the swipe and experience the magic of contactless payments with your physical Apple Card, even where Apple Pay isn't an option? First, look for the contactless payment symbol, resembling a sideways Wi-Fi icon, both on your Apple Card and at the merchant's payment terminal. When you're ready to pay, gently tap your Apple Card against the contactless payment reader. Make sure the front of the card, where the chip is located, is near the reader. Keep your card in place for a second or two until the terminal confirms the transaction is approved, usually with a beep or a visual confirmation like a checkmark. Grab your receipt, and you're all set. You've successfully used your Apple Card for a tap-to-pay transaction. Remember, all your Apple Card transactions, including those made with tap-to-pay, are instantly tracked in your Apple Wallet app, providing a clear overview of your spending. Enjoy the same daily cash rewards and security features you loved with Apple Pay, now with the added versatility of contactless payments anywhere they're accepted. So go ahead, tap into a world of convenient and secure payments with your Apple Card. Don't forget to subscribe for more Apple Card tips and tricks.